Have you or someone you love that lost a job recently? You are not alone. In 2024, Canada's economy faced serious challenges. In March alone, over 33,000 jobs were lost. And things didn't get better in 2025 when the US imposed 25% tariffs. Factories across Canada began cutting jobs. Economists predicted over 68,000 job losses in Ontario alone.
This is the story of May. Her family shattered when both her parents lost their jobs. May held on to one thing, her dream. I am sure this will inspire you not to give up no matter what you're facing. Artificial intelligence replaced her father's job. He had come from China, barely speaking English, chasing a better life. He waited, rejection after rejection. Hope faded. Eventually, he gave up. Alcohol numbed the pain. Gambling gave him a false sense of control. Until he lost it all, the rent, his dignity, and eventually, his family. May lived with her mother in a new place. She didn't have real ballet shoes. Some days she didn't even have lunch, but every day she showed up and danced with all her heart. Not to be rich, not to be famous, just to dance beautifully. To feel alive even when everything around her was broken. US high tariffs forced her mother's factory to close. This destroyed May's family. They barely had enough to survive. There was no money for a real ballet dress. No help for dreams. But May never complained. She just worked harder. Every day, her mother gave her a few coins for lunch. She often skipped lunch to save. She finally saved enough money to buy secondhand ballet shoes and a worn pink dress. They were old, but they were hers. Every night, after homework and chores, she practiced. In silence. In hunger. In pain. Because her dream was worth it. The day of the competition came. Other girls wore perfect costumes and sparkled under the lights. She had no makeup artist, no coach. Only courage. And her mother's warm hug. She danced. She gave it everything. But her foot slipped. The crowd gasped. She finished her routine, tears in her eyes. She didn't win. She didn't even place. Her mother came in quietly and said, "You gave up everything for your dream." And that's something most people never do. Don't lose hope. You should be proud. You didn't just dance. You showed the world your heart. One day, something beautiful will come your way. That night, May walked home barefoot. Her shoes were too worn to wear. But as the streetlights flickered above, she raised her arms and danced, softly, slowly, alone. Because failure doesn't mean you're not good enough. Sometimes it just means you're not there yet. To anyone who gave their all and still fell short, you didn't fail. You were brave enough to try. And that makes you stronger than most. You are not the outcome. You're the courage it took to try. Keep going, don't give up. Keep dancing, the light is coming. May continues her journey to dance. Her courage, her resilience, and her quiet pursuit of a dream. They stay with us, a reminder that even when no one claps, even when rejection echoes louder than applause, hope still moves quietly within us.
Are you struggling right now? Or know someone who is? Feel free to share your story in the comments below. If this video speaks to you, please share it with someone who needs hope. I'm here to listen, to stand beside you. Believe in yourself, even when it is hard. Thank you for watching May's story. I hope this video help you to see your own in a new light. Wherever you are, I wish you peace, strength, and a beautiful tomorrow.